So hello and welcome to a Field Mixologist. On this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the final details in the build of the Lister D that I wanted to do so that it would look good but also run right. So a lot of things have been done since the last update, so I'm gonna show you what I've done and also explain why those things have been done, starting with details. For example, I've painted this the same color of the engine with the same paint, the handle, not that it makes a difference to the functioning of the engine in any way, but it just kind of looks good. It has a handle of the right color, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera outside and I'm going to show you kind of what are the things that I did to the engine and why. So I'll show you outside now. So the first modification that I did to this unit, if you remember, there was the exhaust here, and there was a kind of shallow dish exhaust that was going here. So basically a lot of the exhaust was coming straight here and hitting this bit of the compressor, so it was kind of there was a lot of heat being put onto this unit without with needlessly, basically. So what I did is I put this bend in the exhaust and this deep new exhaust system, so that this basically what it does is that it takes care, it diverts the exhaust gases away from the compressor, and it keeps the compressor running much cooler than it was before. And you actually do need that for a compressor. You need the compressor to run as cool as you possibly can. The other thing that I did is I repainted this. I gave it a second coat of paint, so now it looks, I mean, it does have a few runs here and there, but actually this unit is going well. And the other thing is probably we haven't considered very much is this is the air cleaner assembly that came with the unit. With this was I treated it with rust converter, then 2 coats of oxide primer, and then 2 coats of paint on top. So now basically I wanted the unit to be like the main compressor, and this to have the same color, same thing with the pipes that run from here to here. All of this actually came with the engine and the trolley. It's just that before it was a completely different color. It was like orangey color. It was not in good condition. So now it's been kind of restored, and also the fact that this has the characteristic that it quietens down the operation of the compressor as well. So actually I'm quite pleased how this turned out. This is just a normal kind of piece of hose, and the other thing it does is that it serves as a kind of stabilization point for the compressor as well. So actually that worked out pretty well, that this is included in there. So now, as you can see, those were all the things that were done, those little details to complete the unit. And now before I finish this video by making it run and show it to you how it runs complete with the flat belt, I also need to show you the flat belt, because that's one thing that I didn't cover. Basically the flat belt has this kind of alligator clips that you can see here, so basically you just kind of bang them with a hammer. And actually this is a brand new belt, so it actually works very well as you would intend. So I want to, first of all, before you see the engine cranking up, I want to say thank you very much for all the people that have been watching this, following the series, commenting. I really appreciate it, and hope you enjoy the engine starting up as it should after the restoration.